Hey guys, it's me, Deanna, your affiliate marketing teacher. So on here, I talk about affiliate marketing, the different programs that are out there. I try to answer your questions and talk about whatever I can as far as affiliate marketing. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and follow and DM me. Also, follow and DM me because I can't go live yet, but I'm super excited because I'm about 250, 300 people away from being able to go live. And I want to talk to you real quick about what I'm going to do when I go live. So this right here is a little safe. You have to figure out what is the code that'll open the door. And I saw somebody do this some time ago, and basically she had her code in there. Everybody on the live was trying to figure out the code, and they were winning money. And I want to do the same thing because I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I want to give some money away. Okay, guys, so I'm excited about that. So follow and DM me. And as far as when I'm going to do that live, well, first of all, when I'm able to do that live. So again, I need your help. Follow, DM me, and keep coming back to my page so that I can tell you when I'm going to schedule that specific live. So guys, on here though, like I said, I talk about different programs that are out there for us to be able to make more money. I've been a financial service provider for about 3-4 years. I've been a teacher for the past 11 years, and for about the last 6 years, I've been looking for a way to leave the classroom. I was super overworked, super stressed out, and crazy, and just so tired. My fellow teacher friends who are out here, you get me. I know you get me. So I started looking for a way to get out of the classroom years ago. And I've actually been an affiliate marketer for the past 10 years. I started doing it a little bit after I started teaching, just like I said in one of my other videos. And I do pretty good on it. But the last couple months, guys, I've found the best program that is going to teach you affiliate marketing, that is going to teach you how to properly market online. And once you become a member of this program, and there's different price points, you paid one time, it's not recurring or anything like that, you can literally start selling and making 100% commissions within 2 days, which is super unheard of, like anywhere or everywhere. So guys, if you want more information, go to this website that is on here in this page, sign up with your email, and you'll start getting some emails from me. You're going to see a video, and below the video, you'll see the links to the website with more information. You'll also see a link to schedule a chat with me. Go ahead and do that so that I can give you information about this. And again, follow and DM me.